Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split your videos in half on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this video, and I'm just going to go to mask and I'm just going to split it. I'm just going to move this a little bit here. You can just split it right in the middle, but I'm going to split it here. I'm going to then go to filters. I'm going to go to filters and I'm going to add it here so that I can see where the line is. So again, I'm just going to show you guys. I selected a filter and I put it like in, not above the video, but I actually put it like in there. To make the line smoother, I can just simply feather this out. So it looks looks more natural. You can also do it with like a black and white filter to really see the difference. Like that. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!